Good morning, folks. Or it's early afternoon for most of you. This is your old pal Uncle Al. I hope you can hear me because lately people hasn't hear me too well because Uncle Alan's a little tired and short of breath. You try talking with one lung and mouth full of hardly no teeth. So, like I said, I've been shopping all morning and have to go back out. I promised this one lady I get her and her husband and her handicapped or disabled daughter a roasted chicken tonight. And they're part of my 15 people group that hasn't died off yet, thank God. And I'm very tired. So I have to speak directly. Hopefully, this Omni mic could pick it up. Like I said, Uncle Alan's duct tape and spare parts. Because my nephew says, Uncle Alan, this thing is so old. Yeah, I keep rebuilding it. And they said, Uncle Alan, don't you know you could get boxes? I don't like boxes. I like laptops. But laptops is so early 21st century. Yeah, getting tired. Okay, so I haven't eaten since 4:30. So burrito, a honey bun, uh, and I have to thank the Wangs, nice Chinese family. They gave me $100, and I got to thank Matt for giving his donation to me. Uh, it's like it's always the darkest when you have 32 ones and you're trying to split it between 15 families or 15 groups, and you're running around trying to pull everything you can and talking to people and making your contacts and stuff. You know when things get bad when they start ripping open packages at the grocery store. That's bad. And this is a new product. Unfortunately, they didn't make it to steal anything out of it. But lately, I've been seeing packages open, contents eaten, and put back neatly. So that's kind of sad for today's society. And I keep warning people 9 days of hunger will turn people like into South Africa. Now, go check out Mickey of, oh God, tired. Sorry about this. Mickey, the African lion. He knows what I'm talking about. And I'm worried about William and his family. They're not in South Africa, they're in England. They have no idea what the futures hold for them. So I have to be careful. I tell a lot of people you get these right now. Not too many of them, but you put food, drinks, whatever. See, whoops. Iron emergency rations. Really easy. Dollar doesn't make, people can't do simple things. And they're keeping quiet because it doesn't fit in their agenda. Also, they don't want to be exposed helping out the black Nazis or black Gestapo, which is really funny to urban grandpa Prepper. You're the wrong kind of black people, right? I'm sorry. They're targeting Ohio. I can't believe it. Black people after black people. What was the world coming now today? I just got to sit back and laugh because it already happened and I can't help you. And a lot of young ladies says, "I'm an Omega woman," and I keep telling them, "You don't want to be that. You could be Omega male, but Omega woman, you know." I'm flipping subjects back and forth, and they're looking at me. What's wrong with being Omega woman? Nothing, unless you want to die alone in an abandoned urban center. Most Omega women's and that type, you go down the list, alpha, beta, go. Okay, the big problem with them is they're all urban centric. They have to have an urban setting because they haven't grown up. They're still children. And what's sad about it, folks, when you're cast as that, you're going to die alone, live alone. See, Omega males don't give a crap. We know what we're doing. We can size up an alpha and a beta and let them go running around in circles. We understand what's the game and how it's played very roughly. Okay, folks? Uncle Alan's been around a couple of times on the block, so when Uncle Alan tells you something important, you better listen. Now, on balkanization of certain regions of the world will happen. Okay? I can't stop it. It's history. Your future. My history. I don't really care. After the dust settle and after, I think, what, 1.5 billion people die horrible deaths from malnutrition, disease, warfare, interracial strife, tribalism, cannibalism, socialism, communism. It's going to be horrible. Okay? A lot of you people are still in the dark. That's a good title. I think this is the title of this video. Still in the dark 9 days later. I think it's still in the dark 9 days later. Later. Sorry. I'm calling tired. I've been running on full steam since 4:30 in the morning. I went to bed at 2, finishing up the last 2 videos. Nobody watches those because they think Uncle Alan's crazy. Don't think like that. Go check out Spitfire Red. That's Wendy's channel. Great channel. Also check out The African Lion and Tommy's Homestead Garden. Really good. She improved a lot and she's going places with that. If you're in the hood, you better start prepping. And then Mama Bear's Prepping. Okay, go check out those channels. And don't forget Steve of Corsair's Trainer. Okay, we are going to a month of September and I'm warning people. Hopefully I could divert some of the actions. If not, well, it's nice. God bless you and good luck. Me, Uncle Alan's going to have fun because a lot of you people don't understand Uncle Alan's mind. Thank God. I might look like a potty old little, nutty old little man wearing a funny little hat. I prefer getting a straw boater and wearing a suit. But people don't dress up anymore. Catch you later, folks. This is going to be out in a few hours. I got a lot of work I got to do today, so I'll catch you later. Bye now.